Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox kicked due unexpected client behavior 268 mobile. It is a fast and easy tutorial, so let's dive into it. First, what causes this error? Using unauthorized programs or modifying the game client can trigger this error. Make sure you're not running any cheats or mods on your phone. Also, a weak or unstable internet connection can cause communication problems between your device and Roblox servers. The first option is to clear the cache of your Roblox app. On iPhone, you need to offload the app and then reinstall it. So open your Settings app. Here, tap on General. Under General, open iPhone Storage. Here you will see a list of apps installed in your iPhone. So just scroll down until you find Roblox. Once you see it, tap on it. Here you have the option Offload app. Tap on it. Confirm your decision by tapping Offload. Once the app is offloaded, just reinstall it and it will hopefully fix this issue. Another solution is to make sure your internet is up and running. Open your control center and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to isolate any connection issues. The most important solution is to update the Roblox app. Open the App Store on iOS or Google Play Store on Android and check for any available updates for the Roblox app. Install the latest version if available. Note: avoid using cheats or mods. Using unauthorized programs or modifying the game client is against Roblox's terms of service and can lead to a permanent ban. Stick to playing the game as intended. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And click on that notification bell to never miss an update.